All right, burger lovers, let's get real. We all crave that juicy, cheesy goodness, but sometimes our waistlines and our consciences cry out for a healthier approach. Fear not, fellow foodies, for I'm here to guide you on a culinary adventure to create the ultimate healthy cheeseburger. Get ready to ditch the guilt and embrace a burger that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. We're talking lean protein, fiber-rich buns, and a rainbow of fresh toppings. Forget about bland and boring. This burger is bursting with flavor and satisfaction. So fire up the grill, grab your aprons, and let's embark on this epic culinary quest together. This ain't your average fast food flop, folks. This is a celebration of fresh ingredients and bold flavors, all while keeping things on the lighter side. Get ready for a burger revelation. Let's start with the foundation, the bun. Instead of the usual white bread, opt for whole grain buns. They are packed with fiber, which helps in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Plus, they add a nutty flavor that complements the burger perfectly. Next, the patty. Choose lean proteins like ground turkey, chicken, or even plant-based options like black beans or lentils. These alternatives are lower in fat, but still provide that meaty texture we all love. Season them well with herbs and spices to enhance the flavor. And what's a cheeseburger without cheese? Go for reduced fat cheese or even a flavorful cheese like feta or goat cheese. These options provide a rich taste without the extra calories. Now, let's talk toppings. Load up on fresh vegetables. Think lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and even some avocado for healthy fats. These not only add crunch and flavor, but also pack in vitamins and minerals. Don't forget the sauces. Instead of sugary ketchup or heavy mayo, try Greek yogurt-based sauces, mustard, or even a homemade salsa. These add moisture and zest without the guilt. Assemble your burger with care, layering each ingredient to create a balanced bite every time. The combination of textures and flavors will make each mouthful a delight. And there you have it, a healthy cheeseburger that doesn't compromise on taste. Perfect for a family picnic, a weekend barbecue, or just a satisfying meal at home. So the next time you crave a burger, remember this recipe. It's not just about eating healthy, it's about enjoying every bite while nourishing your body. In addition to being delicious, this healthy cheeseburger is packed with nutrients. The lean protein helps build muscle, while the fresh vegetables provide essential vitamins and minerals. Now that we've explored the quest for the ultimate healthy cheeseburger, let's dive into choosing the perfect protein for our masterpiece. First things first, we need a protein powerhouse that's both delicious and nutritious. Ground beef is a classic choice, but let's opt for lean ground beef, around 90%. Lean is the sweet spot. It's got all the flavor with less of the saturated fat. Feeling adventurous? Ground turkey or chicken breasts are fantastic alternatives. They're lower in fat and calories and provide a blank canvas for your culinary creativity. Remember, we're all about flavor here, so don't be afraid to experiment. Now let's talk buns, baby. We're ditching the white bread and opting for whole wheat buns that are packed with fiber and nutrients. They add a satisfying heartiness and a hint of nutty sweetness that complements the savory burger beautifully. Look for buns that are soft and slightly toasted. They'll hold up to the juiciest of patties without falling apart. And don't be afraid to get creative. Try whole grain rolls, English muffins, or even portobello mushrooms for a gluten-free twist. Now for the main event, shaping those perfect patties. Grab your ground meat and gently form it into patties that are about ½ an inch thick and slightly larger than your buns. Avoid pressing too hard. We want juicy burgers, not hockey pucks. Here's a pro tip. Make a small indentation in the center of each patty with your thumb. This helps the patties cook evenly and prevents them from puffing up like balloons on the grill. Section 5. Sizzle and sear. Achieving culinary greatness. Welcome to the ultimate guide to mastering the art of grilling. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of achieving culinary greatness right in your backyard. It's time to fire up the grill, my friends. There's nothing quite like the aroma of food cooking over an open flame. The sizzle, the smoke, the anticipation of that first bite, it's all part of the magic. Heat your grill to medium-high heat and make sure it's nice and hot before you start cooking. This is crucial because a properly heated grill ensures that your food cooks evenly and develops that beautiful char we all love. We want those patties to sizzle the moment they hit the grates. That initial sear locks in the juices and creates a flavorful crust on the outside. It's the hallmark of a perfectly grilled burger. Cook the patties for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, or until they reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit, or 71 degrees Celsius. Using a meat thermometer is the best way to ensure your burgers are cooked to perfection. Remember, food safety is just as important as flavor. Resist the urge to press down on the patties with a spatula that's just squeezing out all the delicious juices. Let the grill do its job. Patience is key. Allow the heat to work its magic and you'll be rewarded with a juicy, flavorful burger every time. While the burgers are cooking, take this time to prepare your toppings. Fresh lettuce, ripe tomatoes, crisp onions, and a variety of cheeses can elevate your burger to the next level. Don't forget the condiments. A good sauce can make all the difference. Toast your buns on the grill for a minute or two. This adds a nice crunch and helps to keep the burger from becoming too soggy. A toasted bun is the perfect vessel for all those delicious flavors. Once everything is ready, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Start with the bottom bun, add your patty, then layer on your toppings. Finish with the top bun, and there you have it. A burger that's not just a meal, but an experience. Achieving culinary greatness is all about attention to detail and a passion for good food. Whether you're cooking for family, friends, or just yourself, these tips will help you create a burger that's sure to impress. Happy grilling! Section 6. Toasty Triumph, the Art of Bun Preparation. While those patties are working their magic on the grill, let's give those buns some love. Lightly toast the cut sides of the buns on the grill for a warm, crispy exterior and a soft, fluffy interior. Toasted buns add a wonderful textural contrast and enhance the overall burger experience. Trust me, this simple step makes all the difference. A symphony of toppings, lettuce, tomato, and beyond. Now for the fun part, piling on the toppings. Think fresh, crisp and colourful. Lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles. The possibilities are endless. Go wild with your favourites. Avocado, grilled pineapple, roasted red peppers, sautéed mushrooms. The only limit is your imagination. And don't forget the cheese. A slice of low-fat cheddar or Monterey Jack adds a creamy, tangy finish. Building a burger tower, a delicate balancing act. It's not just about piling ingredients high, it's about creating a harmonious blend of flavors and textures that stand tall and proud. All right, burger aficionados, it's time to assemble our masterpieces. Gather your ingredients and get ready for a culinary adventure. This is where your creativity and precision come into play. Grab a toasted bun bottom and carefully place a juicy patty on top. The foundation of your burger tower is crucial, so make sure your patty is cooked to perfection, juicy yet firm. Now comes the fun part, layering on those glorious toppings. Each layer should complement the others, adding both flavor and stability to your tower. Start with lettuce and tomato for a classic base. These fresh ingredients not only add a crisp texture, but also a burst of color that makes your burger visually appealing. Then add your favorite cheese and any other toppings your heart desires. Whether it's crispy bacon, sautéed mushrooms, or a fried egg, each addition should enhance the overall taste. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different flavor combinations. Think outside the box, perhaps a slice of avocado, a dollop of guacamole, or even a sprinkle of blue cheese. Remember, the key is to create a burger tower that's both delicious and structurally sound. Balance is everything. Too many heavy toppings can cause your tower to topple, so distribute them evenly. Enjoy the process and savor every bite of your towering creation. Sidekicks and superstars, completing the culinary ensemble. No burger is complete without a supporting cast of side dishes. Instead of greasy fries, let's opt for healthier and equally delicious options. Sweet potato fries baked to crispy perfection, a refreshing salad with a light vinaigrette, or grilled vegetables bursting with flavor. These sidekicks will elevate your burger experience to new heights. Burger bliss, savoring the fruits and veggies of your labor. Congratulations, burger champions. You've successfully created a healthy and delicious cheeseburger that's worthy of a standing ovation. Now, it's time to savor the fruits and veggies of your labor. Take a big bite, close your eyes, and let the flavors transport you to burger paradise. You've earned it. Thank you for watching and supporting Bistecs TV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching our healthy classic cheeseburger recipe video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more delicious recipe videos. We appreciate your support and wish you a fantastic day. And remember, cooking is an adventure, and every meal is an opportunity to create something special. Keep experimenting, keep tasting, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. Until next time, happy cooking.